day one of what I wish I knew about the crypto market. All right. This is BarinuaTradex right here, and you're welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you like my videos, like these videos, and share to your friends. Okay, I've been to the crypto market for years, and I became really serious about crypto somewhat last year, somewhat around 2021 and April 2021, and since then a lot has changed. I've actually learned a lot about crypto. I could create cryptocurrency, recover coins for people. I could do a lot of exchange and buy crypto. I've got the cryptos. I've invested into a lot of cryptos. I've lost so much in crypto. I've made a lot of gains, and I'm still diving into the crypto more and more every single day. Okay, so here are some of the stuff that I wish I knew about crypto before I got started. And the number one is, I wish I knew that all the coins on CoinMarketCap, majority of the coins on CoinMarketCap are pure scam. Okay, CoinMarketCap is a legit company owned by Binance itself, owned by Binance Corporation, okay, Binance Group rather, and it's a legitimate company. Yet every single project on the platform is not legitimate. Most of them are pure scam. Okay, when I first got into crypto, the mistake I made was I bought a lot of cryptos I saw on CoinMarketCap, especially those one with about 0.00000 affinity. Okay, I thought maybe one day when they keep on growing to about maybe get to $1, maybe I'll make a whole lot of money. I'll become millionaire. I was buying most of them in 10 billion pieces, 1 million pieces, 1 trillion pieces, and then I was feeling like, okay, I'm going to be a trillionaire, I'm going to be a billionaire in dollars or something. But at the end of the day, I was actually being scammed, because eventually most of this crypto were out of the market. They became zero. They grew down all the way down. They were not growing up, they grew downward all the way to zero, and some of them are no longer on Trust Wallet as we speak now. Some of them migrated to a new version without me knowing, and most of them totally vanished to the thin air. Okay, so now later on I get to understand that most of the project listed on CoinMarketCap is listed with disclaimer. Okay, most of them are scam. Most are scam, trust me. Okay, then maybe as time goes on, I'll tell you guys, the more you get to learn about more and more researches that I've been able to make on how I research about coins, and then I'm able to profit from them. Okay, very few of some of those cryptos, few did well. Okay, few of those cryptocurrency I bought that time made me a lot of profit, and I was able to cash out on time, but eventually they flopped too. Okay, like Pig token, I bought Pig token, and then it made me a lot of profit, but it flopped later. And then I bought what do they call it, Pitbull, and Pitbull made me a lot of profit, and then it flopped later. So I wish I knew that all the coins on CoinMarketCap are not legit. Most of them are scam. Okay, so if you want to stay tuned to this series, please just like this video and hit that subscription button, subscribe to the channel, and then follow up. Okay, so in the next series, I'll to show you guys how to actually research about cryptocurrency before you buy it. Okay, there's a number of things that have to do with researching about cryptocurrency before buying. There's a whole number of things, different things that you need to put into consideration, and some of those things has to do with the market cap, the legitimacy of the community, and the team behind it. Now, most of them you come and then you see a lot of Twitter followers on their community. Most of those followers are bot followers. Most of them are scam followers. Okay, they are not legitimate followers. Then the next thing you have to check is the liquidity. Liquidity is very important. You have to check the sellability after buying. Most tokens after buying you can't sell. Okay, then another thing you have to check for is what problem are they there to solve. Okay, most memes tokens are just memes tokens, just creating random JPG, useless JPG files called NFT, and this cryptocurrency are just created for the purpose of this random useless JPG files that are being overhyped. I'll call them overhyped for a whole lot of money, but the truth of the matter is they don't have any problem they are solving. Okay, So some real projects are projects that, okay, they are solving problems about climate change, or they are solving problem about e-commerce, or they are solving problem about advertisement, or they are solving problem about social bullying, or they're solving problem about preserving the life of dogs, or preserving the life of one animal or the other, or there are certain problems of e-commerce. Okay, those are projects that you should be looking into, not the project that just come and say, okay, we mint tokens and we're just here. If you buy our token, you might stand a chance to get our NFT. That doesn't make sense. Okay, so subscribe to my channel and like my video. See you in my next series. Love you. All right.